Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm excited to be back here again. If you're new, welcome to our foodie world where we bring you the simplest homemade recipe. Please join our family by hitting the subscribe button. It's totally free, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever we post new videos. Today's video is packed though. We are going to be unboxing a Midea Juicer and also be making some fruit juice at home, and finally I'll be teaching you guys how to wash your juicer at home. If you think this video is going to be helpful to you, stay tuned and let's get right into it. Guys, I'm so happy to introduce to you 3LM Ventures, your number one plug when it comes to home appliances. From televisions, air conditioners, refrigerators, burners, washing machine, microwave, and many others. They have it all, and they have your favorite brands as well, from Samsung, LG, Whirlpool, Midea, Nasco. They have them all. My birthday is around the corner, and they were kind enough to send me a Midea Juicer as a birthday present. Thank you, 3LM Ventures. Guys, check them up on Instagram and Facebook at 3LM Ventures, and you can call them on 0553231243. I'll put the link in the description box and the number as well. Check them up, and they deliver for free when you are in Accra and Tema. They deliver nationwide as well. And they are currently running an Europe promo. So guys, if you want some discount, hop onto that page now and order. So the juicer comes in this lovely box, and when you open it up, you find the manual, and also the juicer comes in this other thing that is to protect it from breaking. I guess it looks like egg crates, but I don't know what that is called. So we'll just pull it out. It's quite heavy but we'll just pull it out and see what's in there. So these are juice jug which can carry 1250 ml of juice. I must confess, I can't be mad at all because this juicer looks sleek, and for some reason it matches with almost all my kitchen appliances. I didn't plan this, but then most of my appliances in the kitchen are silver and black, so this is gonna match, and I'm happy about it. So this is our pusher. That's what you'll be using to press on the fruits to make it easier to juice out, and that's the lid. This is what covers the juicer and then the filter. So the handle locks this up. If you don't lock it well with the handle, it's not going to juice out. And what I just pointed is our filter, and then the juice collector is under the filter. And also this is the spout where the juice comes from and collects into the juice jug. So this is our pop container which collects the unwanted parts, and then our motor base which has two controls, 1 and 2. Since the ginger and spinach have less juice, I'll be adding that one first, and then just use the pusher to push it down. And then I'll be adding the cucumber next, as cucumber has more juice, so it will wash it down. I don't know if that makes sense. Foodie fam, I forgot to mention that since this is the first time I'm using this juicer, I washed the jug, the pusher, the lid, the filter, and then the juice collector before using. The juicer is pretty easy to use. Once you plug it and you turn it on, you just choose the speed you want, whether 1 or 2, and then you just put your fruits into the lid and then push it down with the pusher, and that's it. This detox juice tasted really nice because of the apples. Apples are naturally sweet, so I didn't have to add any sugars or any sweetener. So let me share a secret with you guys. I usually add lemon to my juice to help it remain fresh, as lemon reduces the oxidation process, so your juice can last 2 to 3 days in the fridge and up to a week or even more in the freezer. So you can put your juice in the freezer when you feel you're not going to drink it anytime soon, and throw it in the fridge or on the countertop whenever you're ready to drink it. Nicely, and then with the lid, the juice collector, the jug, the pop receiver, just run it under running water and then wash it with soap and water. And then for the filter, I got a new toothbrush for the filter. I guess that brush will be for washing the filter only. That's the easy way out, but be careful with the middle, as the middle is sharp, so don't stick your finger there and end up cutting yourself. So this is how the pop looks like after juicing out. My final verdict: I love the Midea Juicer. It's very convenient and easy to use, and it's very affordable as well. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Join our family, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell to get notified whenever we post new videos. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you ever try any of these recipes at home, let us know in the comment section below your thoughts. And if you ever want to buy a juicer, don't forget to choose 3LM Ventures.